Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, hope you are all good. Yeah, friends, generally we are keeping our documents, say for example license, PAN card or our KYC doc or our social security certificates or number in a PDF file, and we are keeping the same in our computer or laptop. But whether these all are password protected? Many times we are keeping the same in our laptop as well as PC, and if someone will get to the same, he will easily access our data. But is it possible to save the Word file and PDF file in Excel and give the Excel file a strong password so that nobody will get the access of the same? Now, whether it is possible for us, let's see friends. We will check and we will import our PDF file and Word file in Excel and we will give the password. Let's see friends. Right, this is a sample sheet which I have prepared just to explain you what I mean to say. Say for example, this is name, this is document type, and this is something scan doc. Can you bring the PDF file in the Excel sheet? Yes, just I will do a double click on this for a moment. You will see the PDF file is opened in the background. So I will just close and say for example, I want to filter it out. How I will do? I will just go to data and I want to apply filter, and if I want to view the data of, say for example, Ahmed, I will just select Ahmed. I will just press OK. I will just click on this, and now we will see, yes, Ahmed CNIC number document is also open. But how you can do this? Now let's see friends. We will start. Just I will open the filter. We will go to the sheet. I have prepared this data I have prepared. So I will just import PDF file. How to start? First of all, just go to Insert tab. In that you have to identify object. Just click on this Insert Object button. Yeah, here this box will open. You don't have to do anything on this. You can just click on this icon, create from file. I will just select this. Now I will click on browse. Now how to go to the location from which you want to import the file. Say for example, Pathik Aadhaar number is here. I will just insert, and if you will click on the OK, you will see the result. Oh, the entire document is imported by Excel, but we don't want to do that. So I will just delete this. Again I will go to object. I will just click on this create from file. I will just again browse and I will select the details. Now here you have to click over here, display as icon. You will appreciate it will show you the location from where you are importing the file. So in future you can also know from where you have imported the file. Now I will just click on this OK button. Yes, OK. Yeah, now we will see the icon is placed over here. But for that, now we have to increase the size of a cell. How you can do that? I will just select the entire row. I will just increase the size. Okay, so that we can place an icon. You can also increase or decrease the size of the icon. Now if I want to insert the John data, I will again repeat. Just click on the object. Just create from file. Display as icon. Just browse. Now click who is this? Mr. John. John, where is John? Yeah. Now here you can also change the file name. So I will just click on this change icon. I will change the name. I will just remove this and I will type it as John. And I will do it OK. You can also click on this OK. So again, John icon is also appearing over here. But if I want to import a Word file, how I can do that? Again for that I will just click on object. Again I will click on this create from file. Again I will just click on this browse button. Again I will select, say for example his name is in Word file. So I will just click this. You can also click on this display as icon. So that Word icon is appearing. Click on OK. Oh, great. So the word file is also inserted. Now the important point is, if I will apply the filter over here, say for example, I will just click here, I will just apply the filter. So if say for example I will select John, okay. See friends, the icon is not in a proper order. How you can do that? But I will just open the filter. It's simple. Now for a moment I will copy this just so that you can have a better idea. Yeah, just place over here. I will also place over here. Now how you can freeze the icon? That is most important. For that you have to click F5. In that just click on the spatial icon. Now here you have to click on objects and OK. So what Excel has done, Excel has automatically selected all the object. You can anywhere on the object do a right click. You have to do right click. Again you have to click on format object. Now here you have to identify the properties button. Okay. Now here there are three options. In that we have to select and move and size with cell. So once you will select this option, the icon size will be changed according to the width of the row and cell. So I will just press OK. So for example, now I want to identify the name of Angelo and want to open the document using the filter. If I will do that, say for example I will select Angelo and OK. Yeah, okay, the document is opening. This way you can also save your data in an Excel file. And the most important task is give a password to this file. How you can do that? Again just click on this office button. In that you have to click on save as. I will select the file as Excel 97-2003. That you have to just click on these tools. There is a small arrow. Click on these tools. In that the tab is general options. I will just click on that. Here you have to give two type of password. Password to open I will just give for a moment 1, 2, 3. And I will open password to modify 4, 5, 6. And I will just OK. Again you have to re-enter the password to protect 1, 2, 3. Password to modify 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I will give name as a final sheet. I will just click save. Now I will also close this file and let's try to open the file. Here it will ask you for a password. I will write 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you modify the sheet, you can also enter the password as 456 which you have given to modify the file. Okay. Yes friends. In this way you can protect your data. Hope friends you have enjoyed the video. If you feel the video is useful, please like, and if you are new, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.